certificate. My topic is science, traditional method and modern method of sowing seed. Plough. This is being used since ancient time for tilling the crop, adding fertilizer to the crop, removing weeds and turning the soil. This this is made of wood. This is made of wood and is drawn by a pair of bulls and other animals, horses and camels. It contains a strong triangular iron strip called plowshare. The main part of plow is long log of wood is called a plow shaft. There is a handle at one end of the shaft. The other end is at attached to a beam which is placed on the bull's neck. One pair of bulls and a man can easily handle the plow. Hoe. It is a simple tool which is used for removing weeds and for losing the soil. It has a long rod of wood, a strong rod and a bend plate of iron is fixed to one of its end and works like a blade. It is pulled by animals. Cultivator. Nowadays plowing is done by a tractor-driven cultivator. The use of cultivator saves the time and labor. Thank you.